Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you another crochet scrunchie. It is so easy to make, and in case you're new to my channel, I want to show you step by step on how I achieve it. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so as to get updates whenever I post new tutorials. So to start off, you're going to need yarn. I used Winter King 4-ply yarn, a crochet hook, 3mm, a pair of scissors, and of course a elastic hair band. We are going to start off by tying our yarn to our hair tie. And after securing our yarn on our hair tie, we are going to make single crochets all around the hair band. After we make our last single crochet, we are going to slip stitch in the very first single crochet and complete our first row. For the next row, we are going to make 3 double crochets in each stitch. So that is my first double crochet. The second one in the same stitch, and the third one in the same stitch. So you're going to go around the hair band as we make 3 double crochets in each stitch. As you come to the end of the row, you're going to slip stitch in the very first double crochet that you had made to complete the second row. For our third row, we are going to chain 15 . And after chaining our 15, we are going to slip stitch in the next stitch . This is how our loop is going to be. Then we chain 15 again, and we continue doing like this until we come to the end. So when you reach the final stitch, all you have to do is fasten off your yarn and cut off the excess. Now all you're left with is to hide the excess yarn that remained after you cut off the other piece of yarn. So that is all you have to do, and now we are left with a very beautiful crochet scrunchie. So besties, that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In case you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will respond. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so as to get alerts whenever I post new tutorials. Bye.